Good morning, besties, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another vlogmas episode. You guys, I can't believe vlogmas is slowly coming to a close. Like, I've been having so much fun making these vlogmas episodes, and I'm really just happy that I was consistent this whole time. I made it to upload like thus far, and I'm having a slow morning, just sipping on my cafecito and really just taking it easy today, because last night we ran the half marathon and I was down horrendous last night. My eyes were so puffy, just like fighting me to go to bed. I had a vlogmas episode to upload. My body was just screaming at me. So I got a full like 11 hours of sleep. I woke up at like 9:30 this morning, and it was one of the best sleeps ever. It feels like my body really recovered, because I was anticipating not even being able to like really walk this morning. It's just when I sit down for a long period of time, that's when I feel my joints like starting to lock up and like get really sore. So we're just gonna try to stay moving today. I don't have like things that require me to be out and about really. The only thing that requires me to leave the house today is that I want to mail out some book club bestie stickers. As of right now, we have one sticker pack left in stock. So if you're seeing this, this is your sign to snag the last sticker pack, because we will be officially sold out very, very soon. And it just warms my heart with all the support I've been receiving for the stickers. So thank you guys so much for your support. But anyways, the vibes today are just very cozy and chill. I want to announce our first holiday YouTube giveaway winner today. I also want to set up a secret Santa for the girlies in the Besties book club. One of the besties, Lauren, brought it up in our like little holiday Discord chat, and I thought it was such a cute idea that we do a secret Santa. Even though we're already a little over a week into the month, I still think we have time. So I want to do some logistics planning and figure out how we can do this secret Santa with us girlies in the US as well as international besties. I think that'd be such a fun, festive idea for the book club. Yeah, we just have a lot of really fun holiday things going on in the Besties book club. Even though vlogmas is slowly coming to a close, I still have like a lot of content that I want to upload for December. Make sure you're subscribed so you get notification. Like, I've been loving the holiday vibes this month, so I want to continue vlogging like every single day and sticking to my regular upload schedule every Sunday, and then maybe like throwing in a few here and there throughout the week just as like little bonus uploads for December. Yeah, let's spend a cozy December day together. I'm wearing my cozy little PJs that I thrifted the other day. They're so comfortable, they feel like a blankie, and they're just so cute. I did all the things on my to-do list. Now I'm gonna pick the Vlogmas giveaway winner. So if you guys entered, thank you so much for entering. Let's spin our little giveaway wheel. Yay, our winner is at Lena Sanrio. I'm gonna message her and let her know that she won the giveaway. Thank you for being here and entering the giveaway. And I will definitely be doing more of these giveaways in the future. I'm trying to have an earlier cozy night tonight because I have just been neglecting like my cozy reading evening sessions. So I'm trying to start my nighttime routine now. I'm gonna do a quick tidy of the house, like vacuum and like clean off my little mirror because it's a little dusty. And I'm gonna make a cozy soup for dinner, start editing a vlogmas episode, and hopefully have time to have a little reading sesh. Besties, I have an idea. What if I made like that row a little snowy village with like hopefully more of these Funko Pop biddies? Because I definitely want to collect them, but like I want like a little snowy village. Or we could do a snowy village on the TV console because we can't do a snowy village on the mantle since we have the garland. But I think one right here would look really cute. What do we think? Mexican hot chocolate. I have my bread as well. My suegra actually taught me how to make Mexican hot chocolate years and years ago. I remember trying Mexican hot chocolate for the first time like when I first started dating my boyfriend. Like this is probably like around 6 years ago, and I've been obsessed ever since. So she taught me how to make Mexican hot chocolate and I've just been making it for years now. So I wanted to elaborate a little bit on my point of making sure that your milk gets boiled because it separates like the cream or the fat of the milk. It's my favorite part of the hot chocolate. Kind of rises to the top and it's just like creamy and I love the consistency of it. And then of course you need to dip your bread. It's a game changer, I'm telling you. So I'm gonna rip my bread in half so it's a little bit easier to dip in here, which is why I'm so excited for my Color Me Mine mug to get glazed. It's literally like this. So I won't have to tear my bread apart, I can just dip it. I cannot wait to drink hot chocolate with that mug. Ripped it in half. We're just gonna dunk it in. Literal perfection. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you really need to know. You need to try it out. They usually sell the Abuelita hot chocolate packs at Safeway. That's where I get mine, or you can get it at like a Mexican market. Once you try this type of hot chocolate, you're not gonna want like your Smith with marshmallows. This is like the superior hot chocolate, in my opinion. I remember the first time I tried Mexican hot chocolate at my suegra's house, and I was watching everyone dip their bread in hot chocolate, and I thought it was so sus. I was like, that looks so weird. Like, it does not look good, until I tried it. And from that day on, my life was changed. I will not make any other hot chocolate in our household. Like, we do not buy Swiss Miss anymore. We do not buy marshmallows. We make this hot chocolate. Please try making this and report back. Let me know how you like it. I have been making it almost every single day of December so far. Like, I need to chill out, but like, I just can't. I genuinely can't. Anyways, I'm finally going to have like a legit cozy reading sesh. I just haven't had the time to like really wind down with a book lately, and it's 10:32 right now, so I think I'm just gonna read for 30 minutes. I feel like I'm still in the same place that I was like checking in with you guys about. Like, I still have about 25% left. Still projecting 5 stars with this book. Super intrigued to see what happens. Yeah, I just don't want this world to end. Ugh. It is 11:09 and I think I'm going to go to bed now. I'm so tired. I feel like I'm still like low-key recovering from the race. Like, my eyes are so tired. I'd be down for another 10 hours of sleep. So thank you for spending the day with me. I feel like today was more of like a mundane day in my life. That's just my real life. So sad that Vlogmas is coming to a close. I've been having so much fun doing this, but I am excited for longer uploads and just like compiling more days in the life. My favorite type of videos are longer uploads, so let me know what type of other December holiday content you want to see aside from Vlogmas. I would love any and all video suggestions. So thank you guys so much for watching this Vlogmas episode, and I'll see you in the next one. Love you, bye.